Today's video is about painting carnation with watercolor on rice paper. I made a rough guideline sketch for the painting first and prepared the colors. I made watered down red and thick consistency dark red for the red carnations, and made a light green and dark green for the stem and leaves. The rice paper is so thin, I can see the guidelines through the paper. Carnations have this shape of flower petals, and they bloom from this thick sepal. So the center part of this flower is all coiled. And this sepal looks double layered. It has a thick stem and narrow-shaped leaves. I load my brush with watered down the red first, then add the thick consistency of a dark red with the tip of the brush. I'm going to draw some detailed lines in the center of the flower, so I take some water out from the brush by touching the paper towel. I start with a few dots in the center of the flower and make dots a little longer and wider when it goes further from the center. The edge of the petal is rough, so I wiggle my brush when I make petals. If petals appears as one single tone or color, you can simply add thick consistency dark red on the tip of the brush and add shade too. I leave a little space between the layer of petals so it wouldn't bleed together. I make bigger petals when petals are going further from the center. I make other flowers in the same way. I load my brush with watered down red first, then add a thick consistency of a dark red with the tip of the brush. I start with a few dots in the center of the flower and make dots a little longer and wider. This flower is a little angle compared to the other one. This one shows a side view of the flower. I'm going to work on green parts now. I load my brush with the light green first, then add the dark green with the tip of the brush, and control the water from the brush. I draw the bottom part of the sepal first, then draw the top one. I bring the stem down a little bit and draw narrow-shaped leaves. I want to work on detail on the flower, so I take some moisture out from the rice paper first. I grab dark red with the tip of the brush and add little shadings. I'm going to add some flower buds too. I think I'm going to add some flower petals here, so it will look like it's just about to bloom. I think it's done. Thank you for watching this video.